Dominic, what are you doing?
Putting some teeth on this saw with the wrong size file.
You need a bigger, smaller one?
Smaller.
I might actually have a smaller one.
You do?
Is this something you should really do before every cut?
It doesn't hurt. It'll always speed it up. But depends on how much you cut last time. In my experience, you pretty much put it away dull by the end of your session every time. The pole saw, I was cutting some low down stuff. And I think I hit some wire. And that'll take the edge of your blade right off.
Did it cut through the wire?
Yeah.
I just got off the phone with insurance, and they may or may not be able to get this sauna covered on my policy. In the meantime, they gave me the go-ahead to clean off the branches because it's kind of leaning on the hedge a little bit. I'm worried about the hedge. And I also want to clean off the branch to assess damage on the trailer itself. So that's the task at hand for the morning. And the more I look at this thing, the more I marvel at the fact that this tree literally fell on the sauna and nowhere else. So if it was on either side a few feet, like had it gone this way 2 feet or that way 2 feet, it would have more or less missed the entire thing. Alas, that is not the case. Just slipped on a root. Alas, that's not the case. The sauna is completely engulfed by this tree. It fell nowhere else. And look at the back. It looks kind of cute with the evergreen surrounding it. All right, let's hop to it. My buddy Dominic is a rock star. He helped me clear the tree. And here is your preview of what the damage looks like. I actually got pretty lucky, if you could say that, because it seems that it just stops right there. So what I might be able to do is just cut the front top off and salvage the rest of the sauna. I mean, these windows, they were already cracking from the heat. We've been getting the sauna up to 235 degrees, and this plexiglass, you know, already needed fixing. So I might be able to just build something out of cedar that kind of encompasses the front, and my sauna will be good as new. I mean, look, all the tires are still full of air. Well, the back's still cute as shit, isn't it? Here's more damage on the inside to give you perspective. So all this is just completely smushed. And you can see right through to the outside. But, I mean, look, that heat shield, which is pretty thin metal, is unscathed. And it goes all the way around. So, again, maybe we just cut all of this off. You know, essentially cut off its forehead and replace it with wood, or maybe I could make some sort of dome out of it to give myself more light and better views. The stove itself looks unscathed, and some of my buddies have been speculating that because we put wooden ribs and framed the inside of this trailer, maybe that's why it didn't get as damaged as it could have. Anywho, that's my life. Freak accidents happen. And sometimes the tops of trees just fall out of the sky and smush your sauna.